In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook on the Skool Community platform. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be set up to showcase your ebook to eager readers in no time. Let's dive right in and explore how you can turn your writing into a successful product on Skool. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Skool account. If you haven't created one yet, it's a quick and easy process. Once you're logged in, head over to your community page. This is your hub for managing all of your content and interacting with your audience. You're looking for the Classroom tab, so go ahead and click on that to get started. In the classroom, you'll want to create a new course. This course will act as the container for your ebook. Click on New Course, and you'll be prompted to enter a course title and a description. This is where you can captivate potential customers, so make sure your title is engaging and your description informative. You'll also have the option to add a cover image, which can be an eye-catching element to draw in more viewers. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit Publish to make your course live. With your course set up, it's time to upload your ebook. Open up your course and either create a new lesson or edit an existing one. This is where your ebook will be housed, so make sure it's easy for customers to find. You'll then upload your ebook in PDF format as a downloadable resource. It's helpful to include a short introduction, highlighting what readers will learn from your ebook and why it's worth their investment. Don't forget to save your changes as you make them. At this stage, adding bonus resources such as worksheets, templates, or instructional videos can also be a great value add, enhancing the appeal of your offering. Now let's set a price for your ebook. Navigate back to your course settings, where you'll see the option to select Buy Now. This feature allows you to specify a one-time purchase price for your course. Make sure to price your ebook competitively while reflecting its value. You'll also need to connect to Stripe Express, which is the payment platform Skool uses to handle transactions. Following this, save your settings to ensure everything is locked in. When customers purchase your course, they gain immediate access to the ebook, making the buying experience seamless and satisfying. And that's it. You've successfully set up your ebook to sell on the Skool Community platform. Whether you're an established author or a new writer, these steps will help you get your work into the hands of readers around the world. Thanks for following along, and best of luck with your book sales.